Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn image formation by plane mirror and characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror. As we know, the image formed by a plane mirror, the image is upright, image is virtual, image has same size as that of the object. Distance between object, mirror and image is same. We follow all characteristics and law of reflection and draw ray diagram. How to make them? Image formation by plane mirror. We consider first point object and we know law of reflection and characteristics of image formation. Characteristics of image formation: image is upright, image is virtual, same size as the object. We follow all these characteristics here. First we consider one object O. As you see in the board, this is the point object O. And we know the characteristics of plane mirror. Plane mirror formed same size as the object image. So we consider same size and same distance. We consider here distance D. So here also we will get image, the distance of D. So we first draw O, that is the object, and this is the image. If this distance is D, so we consider this distance also D. This is our first step. We follow law of reflection and characteristics of plane mirror. And we know law of reflection, line incident to mirror and reflected there. So we take here incident ray, reflected ray, incident ray, reflected ray. We take two rays because we form the image. At least two rays are required for image formation. At least two rays are required from image formation. The next step, we know plane mirror gave virtual image. That means we will assume some rays behind the mirror. Let's produce this ray backward and meet behind the mirror, and you see these rays do not actually meet but appear to come, make produced backward. This ray also we produce backward and meet behind the mirror, and we will get image. This is the ray diagram point object. Let's take a plane mirror and denote it M dash. Now let's take any object AB. Let's assume there are two rays coming from either part A or B object AB. Please remember, at least two rays are required for image formation. Means if we want to draw a point image diagram, we require two rays. If the rays coming point A, then let AP and AQ be incident on the mirror at point P and Q respectively. After the strike, the mirror ray AB reflected as PP dash while AQ reflected as Q dash. Let N1 and N2 to the normal at point P and Q respectively. Thus, following the law of reflection, angle AP N1 is equal angle P dash P N1 and angle AQ N2 is equal QN N2. When we place eyes between Q dash and P dash, or rather than look at the mirror image, appear to point behind the mirror. Let's call this image this point A dash. Point A dash is only reformed once reflected rays PP dash and QQ dash are produced backward and meet behind the mirror. As A dash is just a point, it is referred to as the point image. A dash is virtual, as these rays do not actually meet but appear to make A dash produced backward. Entire process repeated at the other point B. So in case the image of point from B dash. If we want to consider here between A to B any point X, Y, Z and so many information of images X dash, Y dash, Z dash respectively, as each point of object form the point image in the mirror, it is understood all points are considered all together image, what we call reflection of the whole image see in the mirror. And if we compare the image in the mirror, we will get same size image. Image is upright, virtual and laterally inverted.
Thank you, students.